Hola, mi amigos. My name is Dora, and this is my best friend Monkey. And that's my nephew back there from Georgia, and he's making a guest appearance in the video, I guess. I'm John, this is Megan, aka Francis, and today we're going to show you like 18 items that we sold on eBay. And so we've got Daryl back there, and he's just going to stand there and be the strong silent type while we show you guys all the really cool stuff that we sold on eBay. So we're going to jump right into this right now. Okay guys, the first item that we have here is a Dora the Explorer doll. It's Fiesta Dora. Hola, mi amigos. This is Dora. Can you say Dora? I know you can. Pretty cool. We sold it for how much?
$40 plus shipping.
$40 plus shipping. That's pretty good. I'll take it all day long. And there you go. Okay guys, the next item that we sold is a vinyl record of Crystal Gale. Man, she's smoking hot. It's the best of Crystal Gale, so it's like a two-sided greatest hits record. Kind of cool, like Crystal Gale. How much did it sell for?
$13 plus shipping.
$13 plus shipping. Okay, guys, we have a pocket knife that I bought. This is the first one that I sold. I bought like $300 worth of pocket knives as an auction. This one here is actually missing the case emblem that goes in there, but we still sold. I think I paid like $32.50. I didn't realize it was missing the emblem. How much did it sell for?
$38.66.
So I didn't make a whole lot of money on it, but that was because it was missing the little insert here. It is what it is. We'll take the money. Okay, the next item that we have here is this Smoking Water. It's just a little Hot Wheels set. Kind of cool. It's got an old pickup truck and a boat. And how much did it sell for, Francis? $26.95 plus shipping sprinkled on top. We love doing that. Okay, the next item that we have here is a Hallmark keepsake ornament. It's if you were raised in a devout Christian home, then you already know who that is. That's Bob the tomato and Larry the cucumber. And where is my hairbrush? How much did it sell for?
$6.25 plus shipping.
$6.25 plus shipping. The next item that we have here is a Barbie. We have a Barbie here, and it is Country Charm Barbie. She's looking for a man with a horse. It sold for how much, Francis?
$19 plus shipping.
$19 plus shipping. Not too bad. Okay, guys, this is pretty awesome. It is a factory sealed Ice Age, and it has the over $100 worth of coupons inside of it, and it's factory sealed. Not too bad. How much did it sell for?
$6 plus shipping.
$6 plus shipping. That's not much. Yeah, you would think factory sealed VCR tape would have been worth a bunch, but it isn't. Okay, guys, we've got another CD from the We Don't Know Any of These People music collection, and this is Natalie Water Band, and it sold for how much, Francis?
$6 plus shipping.
$6 plus shipping. Okay, guys, we do have a good one now, and this is a die-cast card. There's a little boogers to the blister here, but this is super rare. It's a super rare die-cast. It is a Vector W8 Twin Turbo, and it sold for how much, Francis?
$225 plus shipping.
$225 plus shipping. That is a super awesome find. That was really cool. But I had to pay up for it at auction. I paid $90 for it, and yeah, but that was definitely worth paying 90 bucks for. Okay, guys, the next item that we have here is an IBM clock. This is super cool. Love it. It's got the Swiss motion. The second hand doesn't tick. It just swoops. That's how you tell that it's a quality timepiece. How much did it sell for?
$125 plus shipping.
$125 plus shipping. We definitely have the time to package this thing carefully so it doesn't get broken shipping. That's my dad joke. The next item that we have here is a lot of a 6-pack of Sony cassette tapes. How much did they sell for?
$10 plus shipping.
$10 plus shipping. Okay, guys, the next item that we have here, I'm not going to unroll it all the way, but it is a poster of like St. Louis. There's the arch there. I don't want to unroll it all the way because it sold for a bunch of money. How much did this sell for?
$145 plus shipping.
$145 plus shipping for a poster. Don't be sleeping.
It's from 1975.
1975. Don't be sleeping on posters. Sometimes they bring big bucks. Okay, guys, the next item that we have here is a hanging scale. I don't know exactly how old it is, but it is Gifford Wood Company, Chicago, Illinois, Arlington, Massachusetts. This would be beautiful cleaned up. It would be a great scale. You could weigh all the money that you make from selling on eBay. How much did it sell for?
$31 plus shipping.
$31 plus shipping on top. Okay, the next item that we have here is an American Flyer car. And how much did it sell for?
It was, I scrolled too far, $12.95 plus shipping.
$12.95 plus shipping. We have 3 of these. These are turbo flares. Instead of like the old flares that you would light and they'd burn on the side of the road, these are LED flares. They just set and they flash, and they're for safety. And we sold 3 of them to one buyer for how much?
$18 plus shipping.
$18 plus shipping. Okay, this is kind of cool. This is a quick draw holster, belt and attachment. Doesn't have the holster. Still a really cool item. I bought it at an auction for $1 or $2. How much did it sell for?
$12 plus shipping.
$12 plus shipping. You can't beat it. Okay, guys, this is really awesome here. This is a Three Stooges ring. You can't really see it. But how much did it sell for?
$10 plus
$10 plus shipping. And that's definitely good because it'll fit in a little envelope and go on down the road. Went to an estate sale the other day and I found one of these books by this Dana Gabaldon. She's some fantasy fiction writer. I didn't even get her last name right. I tortured it. It sold for how much?
$25 plus shipping.
$25 plus shipping. The next item to show you here is a set of floor mats. I make a lot of money selling floor mats on eBay. I used to make more because it was a hidden thing, but then I guess the word got out and now I don't sell as many and I don't find as many, but I still do make money on them every once in a while. They're worth picking up if you can get them cheap. How much did they sell for?
$38 plus shipping.
They are for Subaru, so that's not too bad. This is the last item that we have here. It is a Shadow Man. It's NES game. Decent shape. Love it. And how much did it sell for?
$13 plus shipping.
$13 plus shipping. That is everything. We had nearly $1,000 day yesterday. We would have had $1,000 day. We sold a Frank Zappa poster that was local pickup only. The guy bought it and wanted to drive. It doesn't want to drive to pick it up, and he lives in Ohio, so that's a problem. I can't ship it. It's 5 foot tall, really cool. So, you know, we're having some problems over there because my nephew Andrew's trying to break stuff. But that's all the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you would, be sure to go down and give an elbow strike to the like button and drop your nutsack on the subscribe button like they do on the video games. And remember, the family that picks together, what do they do, Andrew? Okay, Megan, the family that picks together, what do they do?
Stick together.
Thank you.